We're gonna put the salad together. The first thing we're gonna do is I've chopped up 1 full cucumber right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this into our baby kale. Right? Toss that in. The next thing we have here is our vegan mozzarella cheese. We like Miyoko's. Miyoko's is freaking awesome. If you guys can get it, I recommend that you try it out. It's delicious. If you can't get a vegan mozzarella, then get something like goat cheese. Make sure it's no hormones, no antibiotics. Or you can also get some raw cheese as well. So add in about 2 cups of cheese. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in about a half cup of pine nuts. And then next we're gonna add in the salmon. So again, anywhere from 4 to 5 ounces of salmon, and then I'm just gonna cut it up and slice it on in. All right, now next just add in your salmon. And that's it, guys. The next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna add in our salad dressing, which we already made. A good rule of thumb is to go ahead and let your salad dressing or prepare that about 30 minutes before you actually eat. So maybe even before you cook your salmon. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna allow the enzymes of the honey to break down the garlic. Enjoy!